The Rich Company property video is presented by J. Martin. Must-see home that will go fast in iconic township of Washington Park adjacent to Washington NC and on the Pamlico River. Your new home will allow easy walking distance to the river and to marina, boat ramp and community park at Havens Gardens, and then bustling downtown is only another little stroll beyond. Classic remodeled brick ranch with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and open floor plan. Bathrooms and kitchen have been refurbished to a very high standard of finish. The floors have recently been updated through the entire house. All walls, cabinets, doors, and trim have been painted. Home features large backyard and carport out front. The neighborhood/neighbors are unmatched. This quiet neighborhood is great for dogs, kids, and adults of all ages. The neighborhood comes with access to a private tennis/pickleball court, a playground, and a waterfront. There is also a trash/yard debris disposal service just for homeowners of Washington Park. It is also located just a quick 5-minute drive or 10-minute bike ride to downtown Washington. For more information,